Hey gang, Poppy here. If you don't recognize me, it's because I shaved. Well, I clipped. I'm going to shave later. Give my face a little time to decompress before I start to scrape. Okay, now. I probably shouldn't record this to say what I'm going to say. However, on the other hand, there are people who think if you have a friend, it's incumbent on you to not let them hurt themselves. So, at the risk of angering two of my friends out there in YouTube land, Rustinox, zillik. Stop smoking, you guys. That shit's gonna kill you. Ask me, it almost did me. I know it's hard. Believe me, I quit smoking 6, 7 times before my heart attack. And there's always something, some stressor started me smoking again. And it took me 2, 3 months after my heart attack and heart surgery in 2005 to finally get tobacco free and stay that way. Somehow a major heart attack will do that to you. Don't make it happen to you before you quit. Okay? I mean, I have no right to ask you this. I have no right to say this. Then again, enlightened self-interest. I get too much enjoyment out of watching you guys' videos. So please, stop smoking. I mean, for me it was hard. Before my heart attack, in the 6, 7 times I quit, I found out I can't use the nicotine patch because I started getting precancerous lesions where the patch was. And since I've had 3 skin tumors removed from my right arm since I was 17, skin cancer, not something I like the idea of. And there's this pill called Buspar. Sometimes they try and use it to make people stop smoking. All it did was screw up my sleep patterns and cause nightmares. Neither of which I like the idea of. You know? And I never tried the lozenge, although there was a stop smoking lozenge that caused people to want to kill themselves. My stepson was on that when he died. I'm not going to go any farther on that. What worked for me was Nicorette, that nicotine gum, but it didn't really start working until I threw away the instructions. Don't tell me how to use it, just supply it to me, and as long as I'm chewing it and not smoking cigarettes, fine. Took my wife a little while to figure that out. I mean, we were getting the Nicorette for free because the state of California likes to give it away if you're going to try and stop smoking. So I just chew it all day long, piece after piece. Well, actually, I'd chew a piece till I couldn't taste tobacco no more. Then I'd get rid of it. A little while later, an hour or 2 later, another piece. Finally, that got me not smoking, not wanting to smoke. It was another year chewing that stuff. And finally I said, no more. Haven't had a cigarette since then. Do not miss them at all. Sort of like breathing, eating, drinking beer, watching YouTube and pointing at the screen and saying, this idiot! And there are plenty of them out there, aren't there? Anyway, Kimber Zillik, Rustinox, quit smoking, please. Please stop smoking. Good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Socially distance yourself from people. And no one said this, but I will. Start wearing gloves. It's a nasty world full of filthy people, leaving their shitty fingerprints all over the place. And even if there isn't a COVID-19 virus in that shitty fingerprint, do you want to bring it home? I know I don't. Good night from California.